Okay, so now let's have example number 3. So find the volume of the solid generated by revolving the area bounded by y squared equal to 8x, y equal to 2x, and about y equal to 4. So for y squared equal to 8x, this is again a parabola opening to the right with vertex 0, 0. Okay? And then for y equal to 2x, so let's have values of x and y. So for x equal to negative 1, 0, 1, and then 2. So for x equal to negative 1, y equal to negative 2. For x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. For x equal to 1, y is equal to 2. For x equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Okay? So, yung graph niya is pataas din na slant or ramp. Now, for point of intersection. So, we have y squared equal to 8x and y equal to 2x. Equation 1, equation 2. So, ito, substitute natin kay equation 1. Okay. So, this will be equal to 2x quantity squared equal to 8x. So, this will be equal to 4x squared. Okay, transpose natin si 8x dito sa kabila. So, oh, sorry. Okay, so we transpose si 8x dito sa kabila. So, magiging negative 8x equal to 0. So, we factor out si 4x since common sa kanila and we will be left with x minus 2. So, solving for value of x that is equal to 0 and that is equal to 2. Now, for x is equal to 0, what is our y? Okay, using equation 2. For x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. For x equal to 2, y is equal to 4. Okay? So, these are our point of intersection. Ibig sabihin, dito sila nag-intersect sa origin. And then, if we have 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Dito sila mag-i-intersect. So, yung first curve natin is ito, yung parabola natin. Oh my goodness. Wait. Okay, so this is our parabola. And yung isang line natin will be, or yung isang graph natin is this one. Okay, so assume na lang natin na straight line siya. So this is the area bounded by these functions. So ano yung axis of rotation natin? Y is equal to 4. So ito. So this is equal to y equal to 4. So dito tayo mag-rotate. That's why yung kukunin natin na strip is a vertical strip. Okay. So, dx tayo. So, what are our limits? Ito, si x0 from 0 to 2. Now, our y upper is equal to, what is our y upper? Okay, so what is our y upper? So, yung y upper natin is the parabola, and if we are going to manipulate this one and get the value of y, we should square both sides or get the square root of both sides. So, we have the square root of, for y upper, square root of 8x. And for y lower naman, we have si 2x. However, take a look at this one. So, yung formula natin kanina, yung general formula natin is RO squared minus RI squared. And R is the distance of the strip to the axis of rotation. So, this is our strip. Okay? So, this is our R outer or R inner since This is closer to the axis of rotation. So, Ri natin to. And yung R out natin will be this one. Okay? Now, yung Y lower natin is ito. Okay? And then yung Y upper natin is this one. So, hindi sila parehas ng position ng ating R inner and R outer. Now, what we should do is yung general formula natin na V is equal to pi times the integral of R outer squared minus R inner squared limits from A to B dx, for example, since vertical naman yung strip natin. Okay. So, what is our R outer? Ano yung formula for R outer natin? So, this is R outer. Ito, this part. Now, we all know that from 0, this distance is equal to 4. Okay, since y is equal to 4 to. So, since this is equal to 4, what is the formula for our R out? So, yung R out natin is equal to 4 minus YL. Okay? So, 4 minus y lower, this is equal to 4 minus 2x. For our Ri naman, that is equal to, is still 4. Now, ano yung iso-subtract natin sa kanya? Si y, this is y upper. Si y upper. Okay? So, 4 minus y upper, that will be si Ri. So, this is equal to 4 minus square root of 8x. Now, for the previous examples, hindi na tayo nag-subtract ng any value. Walang subtraction na naganap because the R outer and for example, this one, the R outer and the Y upper are the same. Okay? Same sila ng position and same sila ng distance. So, hindi na natin siya ginawa. As well as dun sa example number 1. Now, these are the values we are going to plug in to these variables. So, our volume is equal to pi times the integral of what is R out what is our R out? That is 4 minus 2x quantity squared minus our Ri, that is 4 minus square root of 8x quantity squared dx, limits from, what is our limit? That is 0 to 2. Okay? So, we simplify further. This is equal to pi times the integral of, expand natin siya. This is equal to 16 minus 4x plus 4x squared. Okay, tama? This is wrong. This part, dito sa second term natin. Kasi 4 pala to, hindi pala siya 1. So, 4 times 2x, that will be 16x plus 4x squared. So, tama na to. And then, minus, expand din natin to. So, this will be equal to 16 minus, that is minus 16 square root of 2. 16 square root of 2x, or nasa loob pala yung x. Okay. And then, positive 8x. So, makakancel na si square root. So, positive 8x. dx, limits from 0 to 2. So, we simplify further. This is equal to v times, v equal to pi times, of course, this will cancel. And we will have negative 16. This is negative 16x plus 4x squared plus 16 square root of 2x minus 8x dx, limits from 0 to 2. If we simplify further, we will have, okay, combine like terms tayo, negative 16x negative 16x minus 8x, that is equal to negative 24x. Okay? So, negative 24x plus 4x squared plus 16 square root of 2x, and then dx limits from 0 to 2. Okay, so we separately integrate. So at negative 24x dx, the integral of this one, this is equal to negative 24x squared all over 2. So this is equal to negative 12x squared. So at the integral of 4x squared dx, this is equal to 4x cubed all over 3. Now for the third term, we have at the integral of 16 square root of 2x dx. So let u tayo. Let u be equal to 2x, du be equal to 2 dx, and then um, 1 half du is equal to dx. Okay? So, pwede natin tong i-substitute dito. So, this will be equal to, isolate natin si 16, and then square root of u times 1 half du. So, this is equal to 16 over 2, that is 8, times the integral of u raised to u raised to 1 half, I should say, u raised to 1 half du. So, this is equal to 8 times u raised to, what is the integral of u raised to 1 half du? That is equal to u raised to 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2. And if we further simplify this one, this will be equal to 8 times 3 over 2 over 3. Okay, 2u raised to 3 over 2 over 3. So, substitute back na natin si u. U is equal to 2x. So, this is equal to 8 times 2, or multiply na natin si 8 dito. That will be equal to 16 times 2x raised to 3 over 2 all over 3. So, that is the integration of the last term. Now, combine na natin lahat. This will be equal to volume is equal to pi times, yung nauna natin is negative, oh sorry, okay, so that will be equal to negative 12x squared. Okay, so negative 12x squared plus 4x cubed over 3, and then this one plus 16 over 3 times 2x raised to 3 all over 2, limits from 0 to 2. Okay, so we plug the values. This will be equal to v is equal to pi times negative 12 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 cubed all over 3 plus 16 over 3 times 2 raised to 3 over 2. And then minus 0, since yung mga x's natin is multiplied by the numerical coefficients. So, let us assume na 0 na lang ito. Okay? So, simplifying this one, we will have a value of v equal to pi times negative 12 times 2 raised to 2, that is 4. So, negative 12 times 4, that is negative 48. And then for this one, 4 times 2 cube is 8. 4 times 8 is 32 over 3. So, plus 32 over 3. And then, 16 over 3 times 4 raised to 3 over 2, that is equal to positive 128 over 3. So, computing for this one, our volume is equal to 16 pi over 3 cubic units. Okay, so that is the volume for the solid generated in example number 3. So that is the washer method.